Find out the correct pair of words. Fertilize, grow. Answer: immunize, rest, rest. Find out the related pair of words. Farewell, message, lay. Answer: confident, arrogant. Find the correctly spelled word. Answer: dissertation. Find the correctly spelled word. Answer: asthma. Which one of the following is the synonym of graphic? Answer: obvious. Which one of the following is the antonym of enormous? Answer: tiny. Rhinoceros equus knowledge of the literature of Europe, China, and that of Japan were instrumental in his development as a writer, informing his literary style as much as the content of his fiction. Answer: Japan was instrumental in his development as a writer as it informed his literary style as much as many of existing writing events. The growing influence of the Punic identity, however, his many surviving letters show as this influence most prominently. Answer: Punic identity and his many surviving letters show as. Which is the adjective of iron? Answer: irony. The economic are sensible. Answer: of the danger of rejection acid. They run the risk. Answer: of two things happening. Answer: to them. Select the grammatically correct sentence. Answer: your answers are better than those of Mr. Pepper. Select the grammatically correct sentence. Answer: we are imitated. Select the grammatically correct sentence. Answer: they are my sworn enemies. Select the grammatically correct sentence. Answer: we enjoyed the tree. To fight tooth and nail means. Answer: to oppose resolutely. What is the meaning of the carry the day? Answer: in a win. The audience filed to warn the candidate whose speech contained nothing but empty promise. Answer: petty and Charles. I can vouch for his honesty. I have always found him. Answer: veracious and carefully observant of the truth. Which one of the following is an example of simple sentence? Answer: in case of your speaking the truth, I will let you go. Which one of the following is an example of compound sentence? Answer: the mean so the wolf and ran away in fear. According to the conditions of my scholarship after fishing my deer. Answer: I will be employed by the university. Answer: if the British government had no fear of the increasing hostility of the Indian populace, then this nonviolent tactics would have availed little. We need. Answer: a kilo of apples. Select the correctly punctuated sentence. Answer: you said you could play, did not you?